Hi, grade 5, 6s, and grade 7s. This week you're actually both working on a similar assignment where you will be given a poetry choice board and you have to choose a type of poem to write. For the grade 5, 6s, you need to choose one poem from the choice board to do. For the grade 7s, you have to choose two. So I'm going to show you kind of how to use the choice board and different poem options for you that you can write. Some of them are things we've already done, some of them might be new to you, and then that'll be it. So this is the choice board, and there are different options for poems you can do. So there's haiku, quatrain, free verse, limerick, and you'll notice that some of the writing is underlined in blue, meaning that if you open up that link, it will tell you about that poem, that type of poem, and how to create one. Now, I would pick poems that you think are going to be something that you're most interested in actually writing. So if you're a person who, wants to do something simple and pretty basic, maybe a acrostic poem or a haiku poem is your best choice. If you're someone who likes to create a more descriptive poem, a ballad poem, or an imagery poem, probably that's more something that maybe you would choose. So, for example, if you are going to do a quatrain poem, you just click on the link, and that will lead you to a website that will explain what a quatrain is and how to create one. What you will do is you will take the X and you will lay it over what you've decided to do so that I know that that was your choice. Like so. And then for, on the Google slide, there's actually some slides where they're already set up for you. You just have to go in and type. So for example, for quatrain, it says need help writing a quatrain, click here, those are the instructions, and you can actually click into this slide and actually type your quatrain directly into the PowerPoint. So there really shouldn't be any reason for you to leave to create any other documents, for this assignment, because all of the sheets you'd need are right in the Google slide. So limerick, ballad, and then there are just some extra pages at the bottom where you can just create your own poem. So if it's not a quatrain, a limerick, or a ballad poem, you can just use these extra sheets for any other poem that you decide to make. So that is it for this assignment. So like I said before, on the choice board, if you are in grade 7, I should see 2 X'd off squares and 2 poems. If you are in grade 5, 6, I should only see 1 X'd off square and 1 poem in your PowerPoint. Please, once you're done, delete all the other slides that you haven't used. So for example, if you've decided to do a limerick poem, you can leave the green slide in the presentation, but delete all these other blank slides that you haven't used, just so that when I look at the assignment, what you've done is right at the top, if that's okay. So that is the assignment for today for grade 5, 6s, and this week for grade 7s. If you have any questions, message me in the classroom, comment on the assignment, send a Gmail message, and we'll be chatting soon. Bye.